On 12th October 2023, members of the Nyotrap Achik National Movement (HANM) held a press conference to announce their plan to approach the central government regarding the demands of the people of Meghalaya. These demands include the inclusion of Khasi and Garo languages in the 8th schedule of the Constitution, the implementation of ILP or Inner Line Permit, and the resolution of border disputes between Assam and Meghalaya. Lamprang Kharbani, the president of the HANM, stated that previously, with the assistance of the Resident Commissioner of the Government of Meghalaya in New Delhi, the organization was able to submit a memorandum to the offices of the President, the Prime Minister and the Home Minister of India, as well as to members of Parliament from the Northeast, including Kiran Rijiju and Sarbananda Sonowal, seeking their support and approval for the threefold demands of the people of Meghalaya.
Kaseng kalek kum kilenti badai benlek lengba ka Office Resident Commissioner Kajala badon kanong badalhi kalapha ya ubreu jong ka sarkar ban yalam di khot kaseng HANM banlang ya ka dorkhas number 1 sa Office President of India, number 2 sa Office jong Prime Minister Government of India, Shaka Office katat kampuying, bat Shaka Office jong ki arngot ki Cabinet Minister na kane ka than chatai lemni kita kidai Kiran Rijiju bat Sarbananda Sonowal. Nakaliang jong kaseng HNM CEC hibroway kamla thanda ai kublai ya ka Office jong DCP Parliament Street New Delhi 1. Residential Commissioner but Assistant Resident Commissioner ka sarkar Meghalaya ba kloy ban yarap hakaba ngilalek ban ai dorkas ka jingkublai kala jero sya iba starving pada kesik bat pelok jungu ki bawa sendalang ban pendat ini kan ki jam hanongba dalhi nagbenta ki tauba jong gejala bat jong gejai tendrehi barokwe.
Kharbani also mentioned that the organization, having obtained permission from the Deputy Commissioner of Police, Parliament Street, New Delhi, plans to hold a sit-in demonstration near the Indian Parliament on the 3rd of November 2023. This action aims to further emphasize the central government's approval for the inclusion of Khasi and Garo languages in the 8th schedule of the Indian Constitution, the implementation of the Bengal Eastern Frontier Regulation Act 1873 or the Inner Line Permit in Meghalaya, and a comprehensive review of the border dispute between Assam and Meghalaya for a definitive resolution.
Hagbang layo ya ka jingbel pan penlong ya ka jingyeki song klan mongor ka panlong ha ka laikret benai khatwe jong muslim arhajar arpau an arpulai hakane ka jinglek segelhi kum kaseng kalayo ban ya kendo ya siwon ki officer sarkar khamtam ya u Rakesh Sinha u MP jongka Raja Sabha maka BJP u baderu u insat dia ka notis Broadway hayeng sa ju bat u ngilayakan halor ki lightly ki mat ki jura ki bakta ya ka jala Meghalaya bat ya ka baderu ki Broadway hakne ka jingkendo kaseng kala kentu yu ban ya kren bat menteri rang bado jong ke India Narendra Modi bat Amit Shah bakin burong ya ka rai jong ke jing dorbar ka jalla hak ba baro ru pungut kila pas ya ka resolution hak arpnyo trek unailor jong usnam arhajar katpra ban penrong ya tin Khasi bat Garo hak kernet ka ba pra jong ka riti sensyar jong ke India. Kaseng kalaya kendru ya karai jong ke dorbar thau ai ka jala ban pentrai kam ya ka Bengal Eastern Frontier Regulation Act 1873 lane kata ka ILP namar kum ka jaj penreu bat kum ki reulum kane ka jala Meghalaya gidon kam bha ya kane ka an khamtam kumno ban yada na ka jin wanrong kertlep jong ki breu na bari khamtam ki khar muslim nari Bangladesh bat ka wei pat ka mat kabak kamkong san kabang lekan kalong halor kajing ya pendek ya uput usam deng ka jala mekhlaya bat ka asam kabang ya chai menta hak ne kajing kan ka seng ka kensai badon kam ya kajing rap lem jong ka sorkar pedeng nang te po Delhi ban pensuk ya kena kajing pendek pot namar kumba kalong menta ngiyui ki don ki jaka ka baka sorkar asam ka kam ki ong baka de kajongi Bagi don lu kijaka ke baga sorkar mekliah yang baga hapa puajui. Dai na kata tahu ba ka seng HM kala kerpat jur ya ka skor India ba ke dai ban tuklar magdor ya ke long penting isu. Kenang ba ki pardo ki parasnam ki jongi. Kenang ba ki parari jongi ba syong haborot kaput kinom mak ki kijing lane kinom long lang kinyasu nang nais kemat.